Recently, my company received order from DARAZ. Join us behind the scenes as we fulfill a special order placed on DARAZ official app by one of our valued customers. In this video, we're packing a shipment of premium filter cartridges from our online store to be delivered straight to our customer's doorstep. At PAKWES, we take pride in providing top-quality water filtration products. And it's always exciting to prepare orders for our customers. Watch as we carefully pack each item, ensuring everything is secure and ready for safe delivery. We appreciate the trust our customers place in us, and we're committed to delivering a seamless shopping experience every time. Stay tuned for more updates, unboxings, and behind-the-scenes looks at PAKWES. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on water filtration solutions and customer experiences. Thank you for being part of the PAKWES community.